For the repair of the Hyundai HiAN16 air circuit breaker, the following procedures were necessary: overhauling of the internal parts and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added 220-volt AC power supply. At first, we tripped the breaker manually, then we tripped the breaker with the help of the UV key. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And finally, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. It is now clear that the HiAN16 air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.